Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today I'm inspired by Chrysanthemums, and if you don't know what that is a flower and it is the perfect fall makeup look. And if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. I thought I would start off with the eyeshadow today instead of my lips, just so that I can match the lipstick as best as I can to the makeup look after the fact, so there will be no mismatching. All you're going to need is one eyeshadow palette, and I have the W7 Socialite. And the first color I want to go in with is the Nouveau Riche right here. And with this one, you want to use like an array of brushes basically. I have a angle brush and a detailed brush like this one, and these are for drawing the actual line, and I will most likely use the detail brush for most of it. This one is just for the outer corner of my eye. Then I have a flat brush that looks like this one, and that I will be using for the inner corner to fill that in when you see what I'm doing. But these are the three brushes that I'm working with and changing between them. So let's get in with color. Then I'm taking a flat brush. I used the same one, but I wiped off the excess color. And I'm taking the W7 Socialite palette, and I'm going in with Debutante, which is this one right here. And I'm putting that where I have no eyeshadow. Then I'm using the same flat brush, but I have no product on it, and I'm just going to wipe this forward so that it is somewhat blended, but it's not too much, so the color is still there. Then what I want to do is put on some mascara, and I'm first going to curl my lashes. And then I'm taking the Maybelline The Colossal mascara that looks like this, and I'm putting this on my upper lashes only. Then I'm taking my SoSu Cosmetics 7 Deadly Sins lashes in Envy that looks like this, and putting them on. I found a lipstick, but I think it's a little dark, but I think it's the only one I have. So we will see what we can do. So the first thing I will do is line my lips, and I have the W7, the all-rounder color pencil in the shade Fling. It looks like this. And then I have the Kiko Milano's lipstick in 914, and it looks like this. It could be another number now, because I've noticed sometimes they have a very similar shade, they just changed the number. Then I'm taking the W7, the Vitamin C Fixer setting spray, and setting my makeup. If you're using this one, make sure you have a distance, because the spray is hard. And here you have it, a Chrysanthemums inspired makeup look. It's perfect for fall, according to me at least, especially with the colors. And so that is all I have for you today, and if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and you will be notified when I upload a video. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!